Let's make some baby back ribs using Oklahoma Joe's Texas barbecue rub. First, get that membrane removed off of the back of the ribs, then go ahead and get the bone side all seasoned up. After it's all seasoned up, go ahead and flip your ribs over and then season the entire top of the surface of those baby back ribs. Once it's all seasoned up, go ahead and get that smoker fired up to 250. Get those ribs placed on the smoker and then add a wood chunk to add that amazing smoke flavor. Continue to smoke those ribs until they reach the internal temp of about 170 to 180 and the color is set. Place them back on the smoker until they are probe tender. Get them removed, let them rest, slice them up.
All right, let's get a taste. You gotta try the Oklahoma Joe's Texas barbecue rub on some pork ribs. It's crazy good.